Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to Scrappy 8 Challenge 2025. And it's hosted by us ladies of the Scrappy 8 Facebook group. And for the month of February, it's a monthly challenge, and you have all month long to create something if you like. And then if you do like it, if you do want to share your work, you just use the hashtag Scrappy 8 Challenge and hashtag Scrappy 8 Challenge 2025 in your posts on social media. But so for February, Anna is the one who created our prompt, and it's inspired by a book or book series. So for me, I'm inspired by the Laura Ingalls Wilder series, Little House on the Prairie, because I love the frontier life, and every time I would read it, I would just imagine what life was like. And Laura would always go into detail in, the things that they went through, whether it was like environmental things or just life in general, just hardships, good times, family values, all that good stuff like that. And I loved reading all those books, the series of them. And so that's why I was inspired to do this layout. So I decided to have like a pioneer life kind of theme. So I decided to create like a house out on the plains of like, it could be Iowa, Minnesota, Dakota, because those are some of the territories that Laura used to live in. So, out on the prairie. So I wanted to kind of highlight that life, and hopefully I captured it. So I just basically used some paints and watercolors and stuff like that, acrylics and watercolors mainly. And then I just drew a little horse, added a fence, and drew a little house and the grass and the sky and all that stuff like that. So I'm just going to put some music on and then just continue the project, which is kind of short. And then I'll just let you see my finished thing of what I made. All right.
So this is pretty much it. We've got the little Laura Ingalls Wilder book that I printed out from Canva, or actually I got it from the internet and then I resized it on Canva. And then we have our little house in the prairie, and this little vintage flower, and the little horse, and the picket fence. And it represents pioneer life, because that's when Laura Ingalls Wilder, the author of Little House on the Prairie, it took place during her era, the pioneer era. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And feel free to play along with the Scrappy 8 group of us. You can just visit Scrappy 8 Facebook group, and I'll have a link in the description. And this has been February's monthly challenge, and thanks for watching.